I am in Kodamangalam, very small town, from where you can go to Munnar or Neriyamangalam. I have to go Neriyamangalam first, so I am looking for a bus, and maybe I can have some tea first. I don't know. There is Shadia Bakery. Yeah. Kodamangalam now. Neriyamangalam. Where to go? Sir, Neriyamangalam. Neriyamangalam bus.
Neriyamangalam.
Yeah. Upside. Oh, this one, huh? Okay. Hold on. This is the bus stand of Kodamangalam. Munnar, Malua. Malua, Munnar. And Neriyamangalam. Neriyamangalam.
Neriyamangalam വണ്ടി ഈ വണ്ടി തൊട്ടപ്പുറം ഇപ്പോൾ വരും. ഈ വണ്ടിനായി.
Okay. Next one.
Next.
Yeah. Understood. Okay. Neriyamangalam. I think this is the bus, but it is already very okay. They are just leaving. Okay, so maybe I can. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. So I boarded the bus successfully.